Chapter 8, Community Language Learning. Community Language Learning, or CLL, is a language teaching method developed by Charles A. Curran in the 1970s. It is based on the principles of counseling psychology with the goal of creating a supportive and collaborative environment for language learning. The approach emphasizes emotional safety, community building, and communication as key elements for effective language acquisition. CLL is designed to help learners feel comfortable using the target language through the creation of a group dynamic where the students support one another in the learning process. The key principles of the community language learning are 1. Focus on communication. CLL prioritizes communication and the development of speaking skills. The aim is to help students communicate naturally and fluently in the target language, rather than focusing on grammatical accuracy in the early stage of learning. 2. Learner-centered approach. CLL emphasizes the importance of learner autonomy and individual needs. In this method, the role of the teacher is more of a facilitator or counselor, guiding the student's learning process without dominating the classroom. 3. Role of the teacher. The teacher acts as facilitator or counselor, providing the learner with emotional support and guidance rather than directly instructing them in the conventional sense. The teachers listen actively, providing encouragement and help students navigate their language learning journey. 4. Group dynamics and emotional support. The method emphasizes group interactions and the creation of a supportive community among learners. Students work together, share experience, and help each other in the learning process. This emotional support is thought to help reduce the anxiety and fear often associated with language learning. 5. Use of native language. In the early stage of learning process, CLL allows students to use their native language as a bridge to communicate their thoughts and ideas. The teachers then provides translation of the student's native language into the target language, creating a more direct connection between the two languages. 6. Learner-led activities. Activities in CLL are designed to be student-driven, allowing learners to express themselves and lead the learning process. Group discussions, conversations, and role-playing activities are commonly used, where students take on the responsibility of their own learning and collaborate with peers. 7. The humanistic approach. Community language learning is heavily influenced by humanistic psychology, which emphasizes the importance of emotional well-being and personal growth in the learning process. The method seeks to create a safe environment where learners feel valued, supported, and empowered to succeed. The process of community language learning are: first, the initial stage, group interaction. In the first stage of the learning process, learners are encouraged to speak freely in their native language. The teachers listen attentively and provide translation of phrases in the target language. 2. Translation and language input. The teacher provides translations of the learner's sentence, offering the correct target language equivalence. The emphasis is on meaningful communication rather than memorizing vocabulary or grammar rules. 3. Learner Learner generated activity. When students have some basic vocabulary and phrases, they participate in activities such as role plays, conversations, and discussions. Those activities are designed to help learners use the language in practical situations, promoting fluency and confidence. 4. Reflecting on learning process. After activities, the group may reflect on their experience. The teacher facilitates discussion on what worked, what was difficult, and what they learned. This reflection helps students internalize their learning, identify areas for improvement, and build emotional support within the group.